Donald Trump voted in Palm Beach, Florida, expressing confidence despite a tight race with Kamala Harris. Speaking to reporters, he cited delays in key states like Pennsylvania, but vowed to accept a fair loss. Trump praised his campaign as his best and acknowledged it would be his last run for office. Confident in a movement like never before, he predicted a strong result. His wife Melania also thanked staff for their support and dedication.
If they would use paper ballots, voter ID, proof of citizenship, and one-day voting, it would all be over by 10 o'clock in the evening. It's crazy. They use these very expensive computers, and I'm hearing in Pennsylvania they won't have an answer till 2 or 3 days from now. I think it's an absolute outrage if that's the case. If I lose an election, if it's a fair election, I'd be the first one to acknowledge it. And I think so far I think it's been fair. I think there's been a lot of court cases, both sides.